Here's a 2018 Ford F-150 Crew Cab Raptor, 51,000 mile, 200 with a clean Carfax in white. Really sporty truck here. Nice high-powered 3.5 liter turbocharged engine. Raptors have been out for some time. You can see as the lights went off there from opening the door, you can see how we have the upgraded grille, illuminated grille there with the Ford name in the center. Also, you can see we got a little more aggressive front end lower bumper valiance there. Also has the high intensity headlamps with the smoke pod. You can see the graphics with the cowled hood. Everything you would want to try and dress the truck up. You can see the gray wheel flares. This vehicle has it. Also has the graphite wheels. Light new tires. I mean, tall BF Goodrich tires all the way around, probably 13, 14, 30 seconds. You also can see in there a nice shiny rotor and thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. Final results of that inspection signed out by the technician that performed it in the glove box of our cars. Taking a look through the passenger side front seat, you'll see the equally amount of embellishments inside to let you know you're in a high performance truck. You can see the Ford Performance chrome door sill entry guards. See the Raptor embroidery and the ebony leather seats with the tan inserts and offset stitching. Two bucket seats with console automatic floor shifter in between. A few more kind of brushed aluminum graphite embellishments in the door panel and center spline of the dash. Little carbon fiber look there. Really sharp interior and exterior. Just want to show you here the report that I spoke of. Now we actually about 15-30 seconds on the tires, so light new all the way around on the tires, and that's a big thing when you're buying these sport trucks, because the size of these tires is not cheap. If they're worn out, these are brand new. Brakes, 15s, brand new brakes front and rear all the way around. So new tires, new brakes all the way around on this vehicle. We do not want you to have to spend any money on any reconditioning on any vehicle that you purchase from us within a short time after purchase. You also can see you have the slotted door-to-door 5-inch flat black running boards. They're all factory. In the back, we got the hard liners all the way around, WeatherTech style there. You also can see on the back of this rear console, heated rear seats, 12-volt power supply, USB, and flow-through center console. So all kinds of connectivity and comfort features there. Working around to the back, you can see the cool Raptor graphic on the sides. Again, just showing you the wheels are not scuffed or scraped, and all the tires are like new. Coming around to the back here, you can see we do have the Park Sense ultrasound sensors. Does have the tow hitch with the integrated wiring. Do have the backup camera. Do have the hard trifold tonneau cover. Easy drop tailgate with the bed extender, the Line-X spray and bed liner. I mean, it's got it all. This thing is well loaded. Coming around to the other side, again, you can see, looks like we could even have some nitrogen fill on the tires there. And if you can't really see the frame rail, there's a liner in there, but you see the aftermarket shocks that Ford puts on there for their Raptor vehicles. Looking in through the back of the driver's side here, it's a very clean interior. There's no rips, tears, stains, no odors. The previous owner was a non-smoker. Also has the touch on the door handle, allows you to lock and unlock with the push of a button. Also has Ford's proximity entry, allows you to leave the engine running with the proximity key in there and run a quick little errand. Also loaded up with the memory seats, programmable to 3 settings. There's your locks, your mirrors and your windows. Let's go ahead and you see full power seat, including lumbar on the driver's side as well. Also, we always promise 2 sets of keys. We got those here, as you can see, and it does come equipped with the remote start, power tailgate. You can see the integrated keyless and the panic. So you get all the keys. Go ahead and pop in here. Foot in the brake, press the start button. See the exact miles there, 51,875. You hear the nice rumble, the exhaust, that's all factory. You also can see it does have the blind spot monitoring there, and the wind mirror does have the mirror puddle lights. We do have your cargo light, dimmer for your interiors, automatic headlight, power pedals, push pedal for your emergency brake. Got your intermittent wiper washers, high beams turn signals, control pad for your customizable center dash. You can see how we can go back and forth through all the different options. Tons of options here that you can customize to your liking. We do have your cruise control here, forward collision distance setter. It does have lane departure, forward collisions, collision warning, radar cruise. You also can see we got the heated steering wheel. We do have your sync Bluetooth hands-free, audio controls on your steering wheel. All those buttons are over here. Do have downhill descent control, the ability to shut off traction control. Got your hazards, got your forward camera, and you can see rear camera, forward camera, all your different camera options. Auto stop button to turn that on and off. Electronic shift on the fly, 4-wheel drive transfer case. Does have your trailer sway, does have your integrated brake controller. You can see it has the factory navigation as we go to home. AM FM satellite radio, dual climate control, and another button for your heated steering wheel. Ability to pair your phones, and again, big screen on your nav. Apple Play, Android Play, all that good stuff, all your different settings, all in the radio. Analog controls for the radio below that. Does have a single disc CD. You can see dual climate control with automatic temperature setting. Also has your heated and your cooled seats. The cooled seats are on right now. I can feel it. Feels awesome. We got your USB connectors there. We also got 2 large cup holders. Again, there's your lane departure button. Ability to select any of the gears. You also got your paddle shifters to select the gear, right to up shift, left to down shift. Opening up the console, another 12-volt power supply. Look how deep that well is. A lot of room there. Tons of auxiliary switches if you want to put in any other upgrades. You got a lot of different pre-made switches to do that. It does have the power rear sliding window. We got your vent shades and your controls here to use your panoramic roof. As you can see, 2-panel panoramic roof over the entire passenger compartment. It's got it all. It's got the universal home link, illuminated driver, LED visors, as well as passenger. I mean, it's got it all, guys. LED map lights. It's teched out. Let's go ahead and take a look underneath the hood and show you this engine. This is really where the Raptor shines. Like I said, 3.5 liter turbocharged, twin turbocharged engine. There you see it. See, we got the Ford Performance logo on the cover. EcoBoost, quiet, clean. See, 3.5 liter, no exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks, no corrosion on the battery terminal. Everything is stock in here. Warranty still applicable. Very nice, clean, well cared for Raptor engine here. Let's go ahead and turn the truck off. We'll get into the last part of the video. Now, just to recap, brand new tires all the way around, brand new brakes all the way around. 2-owner clean Carfax. Actually, I want to show you that Carfax real quick. Now, you can see no accidents or damage. Now, it does say 4 previous owners, but I want to point out, first owner owned it 1 year and 7 months. Second owner owned it 1 year and 8 months. Or, excuse me, third owner 1 and 2 year, 7 months. Third owner, year, 8 months. Fourth owner was the dealer, only 21 days. So, actually, it was 3-owner vehicle. My apologies, I didn't realize 1 and 2 were combined there. But still, not a 4-owner, just the 3. Now, let's go ahead and walk the car here real quick. Like I said, all new wearables, no accidents, no damage, new brakes, new rotors, new tires. Just going to kind of show you any cosmetic imperfections now, but this truck is very clean, excellent condition. Doesn't show any signs of any repaint on any of the panels. All the body lines are nice and straight and clean. It is really in showroom condition. I mean, the bumper doesn't have any scratch. Tailgates don't have any marks on it. I mean, it is, the bed sides are in good shape. It truly is a like new vehicle all the way around. You would have no idea this thing spent 5,000 miles on the road, let alone 50 in the condition it's in. As we walk it, I haven't even really found a stone chip to show you guys. Sure, we'll find a couple up here on the front, maybe. Maybe a couple little stone chips there, scuffs. I'm digging for something to show you guys. There's got to be a couple marks on it. Maybe that's actually dirt wiping right off. I can't even find stone chips, guys. This is just dust. This is wiping off. This truck is in excellent shape. Like I said, does still have the remainder of the powertrain warranty transferable from Ford to the next owner, so you can buy it with confidence. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. Come visit us, 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Check us out online at www.allthingsautomotive.com or give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.